Hey, it's Kate with WTI. There are many different reasons why you might need 150 tiny ducks. One of which might be to hide them all around the house and wait for the people or person you live with to find them. I'm not saying that's what I did, but I'm just saying that if you happen to see that trend on social media and wanted to try it out for yourself and see if it really is super hilarious, it definitely is super hilarious. These tiny ducks come in a pack of 150 and they come in 6 different colors. So you have your traditional little yellow ducky, and you have multiple colors as well to add a little bit of variety. It mostly comes with the yellow ducks. So just as an added layer of intrigue, when perhaps you're hiding these ducks and the person who's finding them thinks that they're only yellow and then all of a sudden finds like a purple duck, that's really gonna throw them for a loop. Of course, they are so tiny, so if you do have pets in your home or maybe little ones, you wanna be careful where you place them so that they're not a choking hazard. I make sure that I keep them out of reach of my cat because they are so adorable and irresistible to her. I don't want her to, to play with them, but the size of these ducks make them so perfect for any little DIY project or any little surprise that you are planning. So if you are in need of 150 tiny little duck figurines in a variety of colors, I say look no further. These have been perfect for what I needed them for, and I think that they're going to be perfect for your project as well, but that's just my point of view.